Hello, welcome back to three-phase circuits. We're talking about the summary of the voltage and current shifting rules in three-phase circuits. A lot of books will just throw this at you within the first 3 or 4 pages and say, solve a bunch of problems. And what we've done is a different approach. We've done the YY load, the YY circuits, and now we're going to be working on the Y delta circuits where the load is now a delta. In the last section, we talked at length about the difference between phase voltage and so on, and we've done a lot of that work conceptually to pull it together for you. But now this lesson, I'm not going to write anything down. I'm just summarizing it for you, and it's going to be a short lesson. So here you have the same Y-connected load that we had previously, where we have a phase voltage, phase voltage labeled and a line voltage labeled. We also have the line current. And then over here, where you can see it and compare and contrast it, we have a delta connected load with similar things drawn. We have a line voltage drawn, we have a line current, and we have a phase current. We have the different loads drawn as well. So what we want to do is compare and contrast just to drill it into your head. Now let's go back to the Y circuit. Point number 1, the line voltage is not equal to the phase voltage for a Y-connected load. You know that. That means that this voltage is not the same as this voltage. Because they're not the same, we have to have a conversion rule. This is the one we've been using all through the last class. The line voltage is equal to square root of 3 times the phase voltage times this plus or minus 30-degree phase shift. We choose the top sign for positive phase sequence, the negative sign for the negative phase sequence. We've used this for dozens of problems before. Now in the delta load, we're going to look at the same thing. Line voltage is now equal to the phase voltage because the line voltage is here and it's directly connected across phase A, and you can prove it to yourself for the other phases, so the line voltage is equal to the phase voltage for a delta load. Because of that, we don't need a conversion equation because VAB, which is this, is equal to the phase voltage VAB. So they're actually